We're going to look at how to program a garage door opener on an Audi. What you need to do is you'll be using these buttons right here. There's menu. Here you can scroll with this, and when you press it means okay. And then here is these 4 buttons: upper right corner, lower right corner, and these 2 on the left side as well. So the first thing I will do is start by pressing menu. When you press menu, you can scroll to go to car, and then as you can see, vehicle settings is selected. Press OK by pressing the ring. Go down to garage door opener, and then you go to program garage door opener. Press OK. There's 3 buttons for the garage door opener that you have up here. So we're gonna go program the first one. Press OK, and now you're ready to program the garage door opener. So what you'll do is you'll go to the front of the vehicle, then press the button that you want to program. Let's say you want to program open garage door, and you take your garage remote, and then as you stand in front of the Audi, by the Audi rings over there, you can go ahead and press the unlock button on your existing garage door opener. When you do that, if you see 3 flashes, that means programming is successful. If you see 1 long flash, there's a programming error. And you can do that for the other buttons as well. So you can program up to 3 buttons.